there's a shark swimming up top, but yum 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 yum. Hi everyone, Lewis here. Welcome back to the channel. Here we're here with a Lego review. It's a Lego city set. Oh, something behind me. It's a Lego city set, the diving yacht. And I know I haven't done a Lego review in a while, not since the Yoda's Jedi Starfighter. If you haven't seen that, go check it out after this video. I know I haven't done a Lego review in a while, but because I've been doing the Duplo, how system and Duplo connect, and which you should go check out. And I've done the uploading the gaming montages, so there's a playlist for that on my channel page, so you can go check that out too. But I haven't done a Lego review in a while, but we're here again with another Lego review, which is the diving yacht. So let's get into this then. We'll start off with the minifigures. Okay, so here we have the first out of 2 minifigures that come with this set. She's the girl diver. She has the swimsuit on with the wave logo on the front. Her face is happy, and I don't think she has an alternate face. No, she doesn't. She doesn't have an alternate face, but she does have a lot of accessories. So, which is like her diving gear with a scuba mask on and flippers and things. Fins, you know what I mean. So I'll show you that now. She is with all her diving gear on. She's not on the green base plate because the flippers that she's standing on, or the fins, they don't stick to the to base plates or to studs or anything on top of plates. So but because they're wider, they do allow her to stand up by herself. So she has the that's what I missed there. The gas mask, more of an oxygen tank right there. She has the what's it, the fins on, which I want to show you. She has a mask on, which can, like the racing helmet, can be lifted up like that. And she also has a camera, which is the black bits are one build, and then this transparent piece here and that transparent yellow piece. They're both separate, like tiled studded pieces. Here we have the male diver. He's pretty similar to the female. It's got the same. If I move this camera in a second. He has the same. He has the same kind of printing on the body, just in a different colour. Still has the wave logo and things. He has green arms. Long nose from the back. The zip is simple. I can see the shark in the back. I'll show you him with all his diving gear on. Oh wait, no, his face is if my camera will focus. Don't know if it will, but his face is smiling. He's kind of like chilled out, and his hair is like classic surfer dude. Hair. He's like slick to the side, and it's like a sand colour. So now I'll show you him with all his diving gear on. Here's the male diver. Pretty like exactly similar. The pieces you put on, like the helmet and the flippers and everything around his back and stuff. It's complete. There's 2 sets, so you get 2 helmets. You get 4 flippers because they have 2 legs, obviously. And you get 2 of those things, so they're exactly the same. On the back, there's nothing because there's the gas tank. There's his mask, which can again be lifted up. So pretty similar figures, except for this. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll just show you separately. here. That camera, just green, and it's got slanted handle where the minifigure's hands go, and then there's a transparent piece, so it's a rounded tile. So that's it for the minifigures. Now let's get on to some of the actual builds. Now I know I said you were getting onto some of the builds, but this is kind of a build. There's some swordfish, because this bit looks like it can come up and down, but it doesn't really count as a minifigure either. So it's kind of halfway between the middle of a build and a figure. It's the same shark piece we get all the time with the Lego City Sea sets and things, just with the sword piece there, which is like a swordfish. Same shark body with the fin, with the 3 fins, the top fin and then the fins on the side. Then its tail's just one piece. The body's all one molded piece with the like dents and the gills. The gills, and then the head's all one piece. It's not a sticker, it's printed, the eyes and things. That's pretty much it for the shark. Now we're getting onto some of the actual builds. This is just a very minor detail, this boy with a flag. It's one domed piece, like the astromech droid head from Lego Star Wars. Here, in yellow, one of these pole pieces, white pole pieces. And then you have the flag, which is a sticker. The red bit is a sticker, and this is one of the same on the other side. So this is just a very minor detail. Here we're starting to get to some of the good stuff. Like just there you go. This is like a rock piece, coral piece. There's a bunch of seaweed, which is the normal seaweed piece. For here, connected by stacks with holes in the middle. There's a fish there. It's one of the normal fish that comes in all the animal sets, sometimes food. It's stuck on, so it looks like it's swimming. It's lifted off of the ground. It's not an accessory, it's part of the actual build. Stuck by this rock, there's a grey clip piece there. Oh, my camera's out in focus, right after. A little seaweed piece there, and then here's the rock, and then here's the treasure chest, which opens, and then there's a little crab inside. This is normal. It's got it's just like an orange, lighter orange piece. What's else in this? Oh yeah, looks like the divers found some treasure, and this normal like jewelry piece. Here's a closer look at the chest. It's the same sort of chest, open and closes. It's made on a like a cornered dark sand piece. It's exactly the colour when like sand gets wet. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this this little build. Here's the actual boat itself, the actual diving yacht. It's a nice build. Looks like it takes up a lot of bricks. The bit at the bottom here, yeah, it's all just one piece. I don't know if it floats. It didn't say on the box whether it floats. I don't think it does, because there's a big sticker on the side, and there's one big sticker with a black and blue lining on the side details. That's a sticker, so that will come off if you put it in the bath or whatever. Here in the front there's a light. This is tile pieces, just some more decoration on the boat. Same on the other side. Here on the back, there's a like it's like a Lego grate piece, and it's meant to represent the ladders where you like get on and off and things. Here there's some of these pieces here, like more like smaller grate pieces. On the side, just for more detail. And inside, it's kind of hard to get light in there, but inside there's steering wheel, more mechanisms. There's more computers in there with the transparent orange piece for more like computer pieces. On the top, on the top, there's not much. There's a stickered piece here on a sloped tile. These, which are like helicopter controls, you can move them up and down to represent like signals in and off the boat. This piece, I'm not sure what it's meant to represent, just more details, and then these transparent green rounded tile slide pieces for light details. You can let in quite a lot of light here when it's day because of these windows, these transparent blue windows. It's quite a full build. It's these two bits here. This is a transparent piece. This is a transparent piece. This is a separate transparent piece. This whole front bit here, this whole thing up to here is one whole big windshield thing, which you might sometimes find on cars, Lego cars. And then here's another. It's the same on the other side, transparent piece, and then this is a transparent piece, and this is a transparent piece. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the boat. That was my review on the 2019 Lego City set, the diving yacht. It's not my favourite set, I'll give it that, but some little kids can have fun around with the set, with like the shark and the figures and the fish and and the boat and things, and have the shark attack the boat or whatever. But because I'm older, I'm not a little kid, it's not my favourite set. Definitely prefer some of the other ones I've reviewed so far. But anyway, it's a good set for little kids. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel, that will help me a lot. Thanks for watching and have a good day.